Best Practices for Azure Synapse ARM Template is a crucial guide for developers and administrators to efficiently deploy and manage Azure Synapse Analytics resources. To begin, understand the basics of Azure Resource Manager templates, which allow you to define the infrastructure and configuration for your project in a repeatable and consistent manner. Azure Synapse Analytics is a limitless analytics service that brings enterprise data warehouse capabilities to the cloud. When creating an Azure Synapse ARM template, start by defining the parameters that will be used to customize the deployment, such as the workspace name, location, and storage account details. Use a modular approach to organize your template into separate files for each resource type, making it easier to manage and maintain. Leverage built-in functions like resource group and subscription to simplify the template and reduce errors. For security and access control, define roles and permissions within the template to ensure that the right users have access to the workspace and its resources. Use Azure Synapse Analytics Studio to validate and test your template before deploying it to production. Best practices include using a consistent naming convention, minimizing the number of parameters, and using comments to explain complex parts of the template. Monitor and analyze the deployment using Azure Monitor and Azure Log Analytics to identify any issues or areas for optimization. In conclusion, by following these best practices and guidelines, you can create efficient and effective Azure Synapse ARM templates that streamline your deployment and management of Azure Synapse Analytics resources. This approach ensures consistency, reduces errors, and enables you to focus on analyzing and gaining insights from your data. By implementing these best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Azure Synapse Analytics and drive business value through data-driven decision-making.